If the jacket potato hooked up with a roast potato, this would be the love child. A giant jacket potato cooked perfectly in goose fat and air fried until crispy, then served just like a traditional jacket potato. What more could you want? To make it, you'll want to peel your bacon potato, then add a clove of garlic and a sprig of thyme to a pan of boiling salted water, then boil the potato for around 10 minutes until the edges become soft, just like a normal roastie. Next, fluff the potato up by giving it a good shake in a pan or a colander, then brush liberally with goose fat and season with salt and pepper, then pop in the air fryer at 200 degrees C for around 30 to 40 minutes until golden and crispy. While the potato cooks, add the Princes Tuna to a mixing bowl, followed by the sweet corn, red onion, Hellmann's mayo, chives, Dijon mustard, and the squeeze of half a lemon, and give it a good mix until all combined. Get your giant roast potato out of the air fryer and give it a good scrape as confirmation that it's definitely crispy, then slice down the middle and pop in a knob of butter. Then fill the potato to the brim with the tuna mixture, then top with some crispy onion bits and some more chopped chives, and you're ready to experience the best jacket potato you'll ever have. Enjoy.